Installation of the Trident magnetic safety gate latch. Determine the mounting height based on local code requirements. Install the upper bracket as near to the top of the fence post as possible using 3 supplied flathead screws. Slide the latch body down over the upper bracket. Use a measuring device to locate the top of the latch at the proper height. Temporarily attach the lower bracket by holding it against the post and sliding it up into the latch body. Verify that the latch is still at the proper height. Center the mark on the latch body between the 2 marks on the lower bracket. With the latch at the proper height, mark the lower bracket location on the post. Remove the latch body and attach the lower bracket with 4 supplied flathead mounting screws. Reinstall latch body by sliding over both upper and lower brackets. Position at the proper height and secure with the supplied number 8 flathead screw using the hole in the lower portion of the latch that best corresponds with the hole in the lower bracket. Align the striker assembly. Maximum operational adjustment has been reached when the line on the striker assembly reaches the gate face. Position the mark on the striker assembly between the 2 outer marks on the latch body. The ideal location is closer to the top mark. Secure the striker assembly to the gate in this position using 2 supplied flathead screws. Open the gate and adjust the striker assembly out to expose the remaining 2 screw locations. Install 2 supplied flathead screws and then return the striker assembly back to the proper alignment. Check for proper operation. If any final adjustments are needed, use the horizontal adjustment screw located in the striker assembly or the vertical adjustment screw located in the lower bracket. For more information, visit nationwideindustries.com.